My name is Jan Vermok. I'm a professor of economics at Université de Lille, at Lille Economie Management. And I am representing here Crosspoint, a joint research chair between Université de Lille and KU Leuven. The objective of this joint researcher of Crosspoint is to focus on cross-border areas, and more specifically cross-border metropolitan regions, such as the region in which we currently are, so-called Euro-metropolis, Lille, Tournai, Kortrijk. Such regions face a number of specific challenges, such as being divided by national borders, dealing with different languages on either side of the borders, passport controls, customs, different legal systems, sometimes different currencies. They also benefit from a number of unique opportunities, such as close economic integration, close cooperation in culture, in political affairs, and so on. And this is what we want to study in this joint research chair, together with my co-chair, Ben de Ruder from KUL. KUL and Université de Lille both have deep expertise in these areas, and therefore we believe that we will be able to undertake some interesting research in this area to learn more about how cross-border metropolitan areas and cross-border regions in general function, what makes them do well, what makes them thrive, and also what are some of the problems, some of the challenges that they encounter that create problems in their functioning. In Crosspoint, we want to learn from the experience of various cross-border metropolitan regions to learn more about the factors that make them function well and harmoniously, but also to identify the factors that create issues that hinder cooperation between the various parts of these cross-border metropolitan areas. We hope that this will help us derive some useful lessons for cross-border metropolitan regions, border regions in general, and more specifically also for the Euro-metropolis, Lille, Tournai, Kortrijk, so that we here in this region can benefit from these findings. We hope to develop fruitful cooperation with KU Leuven and with my co-chair Ben de Ruder. This will bring together a number of colleagues with different kinds of expertise. We have historians, we have colleagues who study gender studies, we have colleagues who focus on urban planning on both sides of the border, both Belgians and French academics. This cooperation will allow them to benefit from these synergies, to share their knowledge, to share their experiences, and to undertake some joint work together.